Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I have another vlog going on for you guys. I got some mac and cheese being made. I am cutting my husband's hair and we have a hockey game. So if you guys haven't already, it would be so amazing if you could subscribe to my channel. And if you would like to see today's vlog, then just keep watching. Because I don't really use recipes or measure too much with my cooking, I will do my best to kind of gauge how much I'm using. So I'm just gonna start off by turning the back burner on about 4.5. So that's about a medium setting. And then I'm gonna take about just under 1/4 cup of butter. Now that that's melted down a bit, I'm going to add 2 heaping tablespoons of just white flour. I'm going to just start to whisk that a bit, and I'm going to turn the heat down to about 4. I'm gonna add a little bit more flour just because the butter still looks a little bit runny. So just 1/2 tablespoon. And whisk that up. Now I'm gonna add 1.5 cups of 1% milk. You could use whatever you want. I think I've even used skim milk before. You can use 2%, you can use heavy cream. Oh, yeah, you could use heavy cream, I guess, obviously. I don't think people usually use 1% or skim milk, but sometimes you just gotta go with what's in your fridge. So I'm just gonna whisk that. And you can whisk it up till it starts to thicken. And I like to add salt to taste, for taste. A couple shakes of garlic powder and some black pepper. And I won't whisk it the whole time. Sometimes I just let it sit and heat up a bit and then check on it. So the roux has thickened up enough that I'm going to start adding my cheeses now. I've never tried this brand before. The PC, the Superstore brand for mac and cheese, I usually just buy like old sharp cheddar and I'll mix that with marble and parmesan. So this has shredded pizza, mozzarella, medium cheddar, and Swiss cheese. So I'm just gonna add a handful of that. And try not to burn my hand. And then I'm just gonna add a small handful of some parmesan cheese. Maybe a little bit more of this. And let that all melt in. And now once you have your roux, you can make this ahead of time and put it in the fridge. And if you want to do the macaroni later, you can. I'm going to put it all together now because it's the morning and have the mac and cheese ready to bake later on when the kids get home because they get out early and we have hockey tonight. So that's perfect. That looks like the perfect consistency. So I'm going to take it off now. I added 1/2 cup more of milk to the roux, and I also added another small handful of the cheese just because it just didn't look like it was enough for the pasta. So I think now we're at two cups of milk and 2 handfuls of cheese. So I have about that much water in the pot. Not measured, just, I guess, halfway filled, maybe a little more than half. And then I'm just gonna add a little bit of salt to the water as well. All right, so I'm gonna try to measure how much macaroni I put in. And I just get the Unico brand. So I've measured out about 4 cups of macaroni. 4 and a little bit. No, let's say 4. 4 cups. After washing my hair, I've just left it to air dry. I do have a little bit of natural wave in my hair. I never did before growing up, but as I've gotten older, I think I'm taking on my mother's hair. She has a lot of nice, natural, soft wave in it, so I've just left it to air dry, and I've sprayed it with the Moroccan extra strong hairspray before I've curled it. So I like to focus more on the mid part of the hair, and I will curl that all back. And then as the curl falls throughout the day and the next couple days, it just gives a nice soft wave to the hair. Now I'm just taking a small amount of the Loma Fortifying Reparative Tonic, Reconstruct and Restore and Shine, and just running that through my ends. Ironing probably has to be my least favorite household chore to do, but I only really have to iron my husband's work uniforms. Other than that, everything's like casual, comfortable clothes, so I can't really complain. It's only once a week that I have to do a few uniforms.